Welcome to Little Chef's Kitchen. Today, we're cooking up a creamy French onion chicken pasta bake with our young chef, Emma the little girl. First, we need to prepare our ingredients. Emma's chopping onions and measuring out spices. Emma carefully chopping onions in a beautiful modern kitchen. Emma's using her sharp knife skills to chop the onions for our creamy French onion chicken pasta bake. Emma carefully stirring caramelized onions in a pan. Now, Emma's caramelizing the onions to bring out their sweet flavor. Emma pouring rich cream into a saucepan. Next, Emma's creating a velvety sauce with heavy cream and spices. Emma's seasoning diced chicken in a bowl. Now, Emma is seasoning the chicken with herbs and spices. Emma stirring together cooked pasta, creamy onion sauce, and tender chicken. It's time to combine our ingredients. Emma's mixing everything together in a large bowl. Emma's sprinkling shredded cheese on top of the pasta dish. Finally, Emma's adding a layer of shredded cheese on top. Emma sliding the prepared pasta dish into the oven. Now, it's time to bake our creamy French onion chicken pasta bake to perfection. Emma holding the beautifully baked creamy pasta dish, garnished with fresh parsley. And there you have it. Emma's creamy French onion chicken pasta bake is ready to be served. And there you have it. A homemade creamy French onion chicken pasta bake, made with love by our little chef. Would you try this recipe? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more adorable cooking moments.